Hello everybody, I hope everyone's having a good day and a good week so far, and welcome to my channel, guys. This is just an overall view of my makeup kit that I have been using so I can use some of my makeup up because I do have a lot of makeup. I have been decluttering as well, but most of it is still good. I'm getting rid of the really old stuff. I mean, like super old stuff. But yeah, you can tell that I've used a lot of my Profusion blushes. I really like these. I got these two LA Color ones over at Big Lots, and most of the stuff is from the Dollar Tree, and there's nothing wrong with it. I just have to use it. So but yeah, I'm gonna be using it and experimenting with some of this stuff for like work and stuff and on the weekends. So yeah, if you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comment, and remember to hit the notification bell. If you don't, you never know when I upload. And remember to like, sub, and comment. Thanks for watching, and have a good day, guys.